So in the previous video, we have completed the API, and now in this video, I'm going to start working on the UI. Okay, so this video, we're going to create the landing page. So as I mentioned, I have the landing page here. Landing page. This is personal. Yeah, this is the page, and I'm going to copy this style of this page. So let's get started. So the current landing page is here. Okay, quite simple. We're going to work on that. Okay, so let's go. And first of all, we need to copy something inside here. So this is the default page generated by Angular CLI. So I'm going to copy the content. You can just quickly copy this from the GitHub repo, but this is purely copying the style from that template to this page. So quickly create the copy the footer here. Yep, and yeah, this is a footer, and we will have the other part in the app component here. So I'm going to remove all of these and copy the app component. So this is content from the template. We have the router outlet here inside main. So router outlet, because we enable routing in this project, so this is where the content of our page when we navigate through the pages of the app. This is main, and yeah, so let's save these things. Actually, I will need to copy the CSS into this folder. So I'm going to create a new folder here, CSS, and also create new folder, images. Okay, and then copy the style. If I can copy this, let's go to the and paste to CSS here. Oh, apparently I cannot do that, so I need to reveal this in Finder and paste the file here, and also copy the image. So we have one image to copy here, profile, and I just need the favicon, profile.png. So reveal in Finder, and that's it. Now let's copy the let's copy the title. Yeah, so let's try this. Okay, and that's it for the index. Then go back to app component. Then we're going to need to have a home component, which is the home page. So I'm going to create. Okay, let's increase the font size a bit. So npm, or actually pn run ng generate component. So put that in components, home, something like this. And this is the home component I have here. So we have components here. Click on home, and I'm going to copy the data from the template. Okay. Save. And let's try going to the home page and reload. It seems there's some problems. Console. We have, let's try seeing CSS. We have the CSS. No, this is not the CSS. Oh, actually we need to copy this, copy the CSS into our style. Okay. So actually this is the CSS from template. Simply copy this, paste it here. Wow, a lot of lines. So this is just for a quick demonstration purpose, but I mean there's a lot of improvement can be done here. So go back to the page. So you can see that we have the style ready, but it seems the image is not ready. So oh, it seems there's some no. Oh, sorry. So actually this is not working because we haven't configured a route for our application. So let's go to the routing module. So this is a routing module, and let's configure the routing here. So let's go and do this routing, and I'm going to have some path here. So we have path. This is the home page. So component, yeah, home component, and we need to import home component into this. But yeah, sure. And title would be, well, title, home, and is yes, wallet. Okay, something like that. Let's go back to our page, and you see that the page is ready. We have the landing page correctly implemented. So this is the home page, and we also configure the path here. So that's it, guys. This is for this video. We have successfully created the home page. In the next video, we're going to create a page to manage the wallets. See you very soon.